Hi guys! I just want to share simple moments of my life. Please let me. Let's embrace the world with positivity and kindness. Please like and subscribe. Hi guys! So for today's video, I'm gonna show you our refrigerator. So it's called what's in the refrigerator, or it's called refrigerator rate. So this is a quick vlog, guys. I just wanna have something to vlog today because I'm very bored. So at first, this is the ref magnets, our families here. Is the white and cheese source of income of my family. Then let's open here. What's this? First, let's look at this. Oh, what's this? It's a chocolate real chocolate butter. Not chocolate. And this one, it's a chocolate also. This is just Twix. Wow, Twix. And here, what's this? It's an ice cream. There's an ice cream. Oh. The hot ones. And this one is, this is sauce. Sauce. Very hard. This is actually bought by my husband last night, and this one is the chicken blog. And what's this? It's a fish and a cake. And this one, there's also chocolates here, and here chocolates also from the Republic, given by Lynn Garcia. It's done from the top. Let's go to the upper one. Lower one. It's a bread. Here, there's a lot of soft drinks. Then, here, what is this? Oh, mineral waters and Cobra. Push. So that's it, guys. Bye.